Kearns rolls him into 3 and 4. Whoa him up. Open that coupe door, ladies and gentlemen. Punch it chicken. Main event racing at Havasu 95 Speedway. Oh, they sit it hot and heavy into one. And with 3 wide, Guevara, the big loser on that one. Guevara might be having problems with that 17 now. Yes, he is. Guevara cannot turn that 17. Definitely problems for the 17. Now, can he clear himself? Going for 3 in a row. Yes, indeed. Your main event, Sam Nichols, Electrical Factory Stock winner. Big Bad Darren Kearns. 20 laps. Punch it, chicken. Let's go. Green flag racing. Punch it, chicken, come on with it. Mr. Century trying to keep Planty behind him. Mr. Spring coming there in the 1, trying to get some as well. Leader goes to the bottom, underneath. I believe it's going to be Century and Planty, your first and second, and Spring third. Boxcar Willie for the Pets and More. Here we go, punch it, little chickens. This one, a 20 lap to completion. Maybe we'll see Luke Spring one day because he just won the main event here for the Mini Dwarf Masters division at Havasu 95 Speedway this afternoon. This flat cart main slated for 20 laps. Oh. That was the 07. It was Mason McKinney in that 07 that had a little scuff on back there. That's Madden McKinney in the 24. Oh, Markle overdrove, got caught in lap traffic. Hobdell, new leader. McKinney up to second, Markle back to third. And now Jamie Markle's got the other McKinney under her. Lap trap goes around. Trying to run down Hobdell. Oh, got underneath him, got him loose in 4. New leader, 24 at Madden McKinney. Now McKinney's gonna have to pick his way through the lap car. Oh. And that was Mason McKinney that, oh mercy. Mason McKinney went airborne in 1 and 2. The 55 I have as Lila Smith was what caused the chaos in 1 and 2, and then again in 3 and 4 as those carts were trying to get around the lap car. Punch it, chicken. Come on, let's get this one worked out here, boys and girls. Jacob Hobdell. Leading Tristan Churko. Boy, the McKinney boys, boy! Well, so Matt McKinney throws his hands up like he didn't do something. It sure looked like he was taking a hard turn in, and Markle said, nope, I don't think so. Hobnell's still leading this thing, but got to get around the lap. See, the lappers are what's going to get you into trouble. Hobnell said, it's all right, we got one more to go. Hobnell coming around. It's going to be between Churko and Tristan Churko said, I'm taking second. Take the off-road Ivan Stewart route. Get it done, son, in 3 and 4. Havasu 95 Speedway, those flat carts put on a show, did they not? If you enjoyed it, let them know. Punch It Chicken, the top 4 said, you guys better catch up behind. That's Jack Planty and Pierce Weaver. Planty in the 5, Weaver in the 7. The Tornado Taylor Horn in the 95 and Zara Lombardi in the 2. Lombardi's having issues today. Something might be off with that car. But it almost seemed like we had 2 groups started there. It could have been a little tighter, but hey, I'm not in charge. That's all right. This one's slated for 20 laps to its completion as well. Braylon Martin on a tear. Leader up into lap traffic, and that's going to hurt him. He's got to get around Lombardi. Urita's right there. Madeline Urita stuck it to him. New leader Luke Spring in the 33. Urita continues around. Spring, new leader. Ryder Spring in second. Luke Spring in first. Ryder Spring second right now. Madeline Urita third. Not getting any pressure from the Spring in the back. Sees the last lap flag out. 33. Rolling into 1 and 2. Looking as good as he's looked all day. Ladies and gentlemen, your main event winner gonna be Luke Spring in your Havasu Wiring Outlaw carts today. This one's slated for 25 laps. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a dangerous motorsports activity. Pay attention while the races are going. Something could happen and parts and pieces could come flying in your direction. So please pay attention, especially to the youngsters. Even if they're not yours, an extra eye never hurts. Somebody's smoking something fierce coming out of 2. Might have just been a locked up tire, hopefully. Yeah, the 99's smoking that right rear. Shane Lindenberger. Pollock doing his darndest to keep Sheets and Peters behind him. Got a yellow as we have one around over in 3 and 4. Punch It Chicken, let's get back to laps counting. Oh, and Pollock did not get the memo. Pollock is underpowered. His car did not go at all. And he loses 5 positions. Pollock's still not up to power all the way. Oh, we got Planty. Planty taking the dirt track shortcut there. Oh, we got one turn around. Oh, we locked him. Oh, hang on. Well, you folks saw that just as well as I did. 10 to go. Come on with it. Here come the McCatlin Electrical Dwarf cars. A 10-lap shootout from Havasu 95 Speedway. Some dust pops up off the 7-inch curbing here in our turns. 3 and 4. Ori Woods, bring it on down. 177, looking nice. On the restart, nobody's had nothing for the 177 out of Logandale, Nevada, sponsored by Pig Speed. Lil Pig, let me in. And Lil Pig gonna win this thing. Ori Woods gonna be your McCatlin Electrical Dwarf Car main event winner today. This one's slated for 75, 1,000 to win it. Punch It Chicken, let's go street stock racing. Somebody's smoking coming out of 4. That's going to be the 21, Arad Proctor. Oh, Orozco. Something's wrong with the 5 of Jeremy Orozco. Looks like the hood's up a little bit, possibly a front end, something. Orozco dead in the water. Gonna try to use whatever remaining inertia he's got. The kinetic energy gets him clear. Oh, bad news for Jeremy Orozco in the number 5. Meanwhile, up front, Nathan Hobdell up into traffic. That's going to be the 20 of Jeff Kraft. And Proctor, that smoke isn't going away. That could be terminal for the 21. It's smoking this bad this early on in a 75-lap feature. We'll be watching the 21. I'm sure McKieran's got a windshield full of whatever it is. Great battle for 4th, though. Oh, and Ryan Daniel had the 45 into the side of him, but we got one around out of turn number 2. Punch it, chicken. Feel it. Come on with it. Hammer down. Let's see it, boys. And as I say that, Hobdell done. Hobdell is dead in the water. No power to that car. He's dead. Yellow should be coming out. Ray Charles just sent me a text message that said, that car ain't going nowhere, man. Punch it, chicken. Back to laps that count. Here in your Getting Gear Street Stock 75-lap main event at Havasu 95 Speedway. Whatever it was that slowed Secord down, I think he's got it together. Now, see, I'm seeing something out of the back of Secord's car. Something's wrong with Secord's car. Is Secord going to give up second place? I'm seeing it. It was the last lap he went by. I don't know if it's locking up in the rear or what, but something's definitely wrong with Secord's car. Probably going to try to figure it out this lap and pull it off next time by. See, it starts smoking a bit like it gets bound or not sure exactly. And if the gentleman piloting that car, the driver I know has enough experience to figure that one out, and the driver's saying, nope, this is enough, I'm done. So the 35, the Secord Motorsports entry done right now at lap 21. Grady, oh, Brent DeLay saying, Grady, you're going slow. DeLay gonna go around. Grady trying to. Oh, this is a good one. And now Grady gets underneath Daniel for second. Vermillion trying to get up underneath DeLay for 4th. Of Alex Rodriguez saying, dude, I don't know what's smoking, but I have been smelling smoke this whole race, gosh darn it. And I'm about done with it. McKieran right to the back bumper. McKieran gonna move to the inside, possibly. Nope. Little defense, and then Jake Altman in that 24 says, knock, knock, come on, McKieran, let's go. Rodriguez loses the handling on the 90. And McKieran and company goes by. Got what? Is it flat? He got a flat, yeah. The 90's got a flat. So Rodriguez probably going to be able to clear himself off the track. Track exit coming there, about 100 feet. Oh, he just stopped right. Oh. Well, yellow comes out, and that's going to get it all nice and tight up front again, ladies and gentlemen. Punch it, chicken. Let's go. Kyle Jacks. Wait, Jason Grady, Ryan Daniel, DeLay, and Vermillion. Whoa, and a 33 of Hansen got way loose right in the middle of 1 and 2. On corner entry. New leader, Kyle Jacks. And Brent DeLay is in this melee too. Top 3 starting to pull out on Ryan Daniel. DeLay gets to the back bumper of Grady. Grady puts his nose underneath Jax. Delay comes underneath Grady. Delay for second. Brent Delay muscles the 3D up into second. And now Brent Delay goes to the lead, ladies and gentlemen. Delay with a power move. Brent Delay, your new leader here in your Getting Gear Street Stock main. Oh, something's wrong with Kyle Jax. The 4 just, about died there on the back straightaway. Hopefully he's got enough momentum to take himself off the track, but I don't think it's going to happen. Yellow's going to come out. Jax is parking it in turn 4. Oh, man. Turn 4 coming at you. You ready to go? Then open that coupe door. Punch it, chicken. Come on with it. If you're enjoying the broadcast on Low Budget TV, tell a friend. Oh, and the 90 dead in the water again. Alex Rodriguez smoking. Is he clear? Oh, he's not clear by about 3 feet. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's go. Punch it, chicken. Come on with it. On delay, on delay. Brent Delay leads this field. Jason Grady in second. Chad Hansen in third. And Ryan Daniel in fourth. Mike McKeon fifth. Jim Vermillion sixth. 24A Jake Altman in seventh. Jared King in the 21K eighth. And Jeffrey Kraft rounds out the field in the 20K. He's no stranger to this track. He's been here a long time. And ladies and gentlemen, he's going to take home a cool $1,000. Brent Delay wins the Getting Gear Street Stock main event here at Havasu 95 Speedway. Jason Grady comes in second, Chad Hansen third.